You may possibly receive your circular sock machine fully assembled, but it is more common for the shipper to pack each piece carefully wrapped and have to assemble it yourself when you first get it. It's actually pretty easy, but it can be daunting the first time through. So we're going to just be quiet and let Jack assemble mine in front of your eyes. We've had it apart for cleaning. We won't talk, just view the video because that's pretty self-explanatory. Remember that this is an auto knitter and many similar machines exist, but they're not all identical to this one. So you may see slight differences. Okay, I'm done talking. You can sing a song or something while we continue.